Hello everybody. So today I want to show you how to do about Riccati differential equations. So on the question they just provide one particular solutions in here. So we need to set up y equals to y number 1 plus u. This is the basic one. And y number 1 that is about s square. So I will put this one go in here. Later that we need to do first the derivative for the both sides. This one we have 2s. This one we have number 1 and we have du over ds. Next we need to do second derivative of this one. And we have number 2 and we have du square over ds square in here. This is about second derivative of u. And now after we do this way, we go back to this one. So this one in here, that is this one. So this one, that is this one. So this one equals to this one. And now we have 1 plus s square multiplied by this one and this one. So 2s multiplied by this one and this one. So for the next one, we have 2s square for s square in here. You got about 6s square. So this one cancel this one. Number 2 cancel this one. So we just have only like this. So for this one, we can use about Bernoulli's differential equations. So I will put about v, that is about this one. Later that we need to do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have like this. So for this one in here, we can set up like this. Next, we need to divide both sides by 1 plus s square. So we have like this. Next, for this one in here, this is about linear ordinary differential equations. So for this one, we need to find about integrating factor. So that is about mu s equals to e to the power of the integration. We can see that the positive next to this one. This is for integrating factor. We need to include in the positive side go in here. So the integration of this one, we have ln of 1 plus s square, and we can simplify. We have like this. That means we multiply both sides by this one. So we simplify this one and this one. Next, we put the integration for the both sides. So we need to use about the product rule of the derivative. So in this one, we have first the derivative of 8 multiplied by b. This one that is about first the derivative of b multiplied by 8. So the integration of this one we have like this. So the integration of that one we have like this. This one you got about c, that is about the constant. And later that we divide both sides by this one. And v in here, that is about this one, du over ds. Now let's go back to this one. We just set up in here. So we put this one go in here. And now du over ds, that is this one. Now we have the conditions. That is this one. So in this case, we put negative number 1, that's it for s, this one for this one in here, to find about the value of c. So number 2 with negative number 1, we have negative number 2. This one we have number 2. So I will put this one go to the left. So number 2 multiplied by number 2, we have number 4. So we put number 4 go back in here. Next, we put the integration for the both sides. So this one we have y. This one we have s squared. This one we have 4 octane of s. And we have c. That is about the constant. Now we have the condition in here. So I will put negative number 1 go in here, and number 0 go in here. So this one we have number 1. This one we have negative b over 2. Negative b over 2, and we have c. So we put all the numbers go to the left, and we have c equals to negative number 1 plus b. Sorry, this is negative b over 4. So that's why we have negative number 1 plus b in here. After you got this one, we put back to here, and we have the final answer we need to write. This is the end. Thank you for watching.